I hope everybody fine at your home. You can note down your GK first term syllabus. Unit 1, the world around us. Unit 4, young scientists. Unit 5, India Unlimited. Unit 6, around the world. Unit 7, playing the game. And Unit 8, art and culture. Okay, children. We already completed these units. So today onwards, each chapter again I will discuss. You can check it again. First chapter, the world around us. See, elephant foot tree. First one answer. Second one answer is mistletoe. Third one, ocotello. Fourth one, mangroves. Fifth one, fig tree. And sixth one, sugar maple. Check it again. Clear? These desert plants are from North America. They have a swollen trunk that stores a lot of water. They have thin and long leaves that help them to reduce the loss of moisture. That is elephant foot tree. This plant has root-like structure buried in the branches of a tree. It clings to the tree to anchor itself. It then absorbs water and nutrients from the host tree, mistletoe. This plant can survive in the harsh desert climate by staying dormant. It is leafless for most part of the year, except immediately after rain. Its leaves quickly wither after the soil dries out. Ocotello. These trees are buffets between the land and the sea. They have tilt roots which act as a barriers and protect the land from social erosion due to the tidal waves. Mangroves. This deciduous tree has been around since the earliest recorded history. Its flowers are pollinated by a wasp, after which the wasp dies and decomposes inside the fruit. Fig tree. This tree is native to North America and is found in almost all places in the United States. It is usually grown in gardens owing its beauty and extensive branching system. Sugar maple. Clear, children? Checked. Okay. Second part, animal habitats. First one answer badger. Second one frilled lizard. Third one reindeer. Fourth one looper. Fifth one opossum. Sixth one Canada lynx. This animal is one of the fastest burrowing animals. It has black and white stripes on its face. It sleeps for most part of the day. At night, it digs out other hibernating animals and eats them. Badger. This carnivore has a unique way of scaring its enemies to appear threatening. It opens its mouth wide and unveils a wide frill which makes it look bigger. It is a native of Australia. Frilled lizard. Also called caribou, this animal lives in the Arctic tundra, North America and Asia. Eating moss helps it to keep its body fluids warm. It can lower its temperature in the legs to just above freezing point to minimize the loss of body heat. Reindeer. It cuts bits of leaves from the plants on which it lives. It sticks these pieces on its back, thus disguising itself under the leaves. Looper. This is the only marsupial found in North America. It can eat almost anything, due to which it is known as nature's sanitation engineer. Opossum. This extremely elusive animal has a very thick fur and exceptionally large paws to protect and aid it in the snowy habitat in which it lives. It has earned the nickname of shadow of the forest. Canada lynx. Next part, animal senses. From super sniffers to electricity detectors, animals have an impressive array of sensory capabilities. Nature has provided them these sensory capabilities so that they can find food and shelter and be safe from enemies. It uses echolocation to detect obstacles, predators and prey. It emits clicking sound and receives their echoes through its pores, its lower jaw, that is dolphin. It uses the whiskers on its face to ascertain whether it can pass through a particular space. The scales on its forelegs help it to get information about the captured prey, cat. Its eyes can move independently, hence it can see in two different directions simultaneously without turning its head. This helps it to keep track of predators and prey. Chameleon. It has eye spots at the tips of its arms which contain light-sensitive pigments. This allows it to sense shadows and changes in the brightness of light. Starfish. It has special hairs on its feet that help it to taste. When it sits on a flower, its feet tell it whether it should drink from the flower or not. Butterfly. Its tail has almost no fur and acts as an organ of touch. Its snout has many sensory nerves and hair is extremely sensitive to the minutest difference in touch and texture. Mold. 5. Creatures living in the sea have different shapes, sizes and colors. They are well adapted to their surroundings. For example, fish are adapted to live in icy waters in coastal areas, on coral reefs, on the surface of the sea and in ocean beds. It is the wildest looking sea creature. It is just as lazy as it looks and sounds. It barely expends any energy. Even while eating, it only glows up whatever just happens to be floating by. Blowfish. This strange creature is found at the Great Barrier Reef's Lizard Island. It lives in a tube. It can withdraw its tree-like crowns if threatened. Its spiral branches are actually its breathing and feeding apparatus. Christmas tree worm. It has flamboyant coloration. All its color comes from the soft parts of its body which envelops its shell unless it is threatened. Flamingo tongue-nails. It is found along the southwestern coast of Australia. It uses its fins not only to propel itself through water but also camouflage to resemble a piece of drifting seaweed. Leafy sea dragon. It is found in the Gulf of Mexico. Related to jellyfish, it gets its name from the flower of the same name, Venus flytrap sea anemone. Tends to look like a hovercraft. When it is moving along, it exudes a poisonous toxin from the mucus secretion of its skin. It tends to make a very distinct grunting noise when it is captured. Longhorn cowfish. That's all. First chapter, that is the world around us. You have to study, and in next video I will send the question paper.